All right, guys. Today I've got a little project that kind of makes me nervous. This tree behind me here, we're gonna cut that one down and cut it up, and then this one here. This one I thought was dead, but this past year it had a lot of green. It's got mushrooms growing in it up there. Woodpeckers have knocked big holes in it, so it's not gonna be long. It's gonna be dead anyway. So we're gonna cut two of them down, and my neighbor's gonna get it all for firewood. He's actually gonna be the one to cut it because he's really good with a chainsaw. If this wasn't right next to my house, I wouldn't even consider having somebody else do it. But he needs the wood, and he can turn these trees around and make them go any direction he wants. I'm gonna get on the backside with the backhoe anyway, just for good measure, to make sure we don't get a gust of wind or something blow it back on the house. But I've got to get out here and I need all this lumber moved. I'm going to move all this on the inside, get it out of the way, and get all this mess cleaned up so we can lay this tree down, probably out across here somewhere. The wind's not really in our favor today. It's kind of blowing back towards the house, but it's not that much wind right now. All right, guys, we're getting ready to cut this tree down in just a minute, and I have cameras set up everywhere. I've got one down there, one over there, and I've actually got one. Well, I've got the mount. I've got to go way up there and put it on. I got it. It's an older GoPro. I'm going to sacrifice it if I have to. It may kill it, it may not, but we'll see. But we're gonna, good or bad, we're gonna try to get the whole thing caught on different angles. You know me, if I screw up, I'll still put it on the video. If it blows back on the house and we smash the porch, well, I don't know. Maybe it'll be a viral video. We'll see. Either way, good or bad, we're about to cut this thing down and see what happens. You know, I really don't think that could have gone any better. Both trees that he cut, he told me exactly where he wanted to put them. This one, he actually laid it down against the wind, but he said it was the best way to put it down. He used to own a timber company, and he's really good with a chainsaw. I mean, I can cut trees down all day long, but making them turn and go different directions, and I don't know how to do that. I'm not good enough. But he is. Well, we got both of them down, and we didn't tear anything up. This white oak, I'm not sure what's going on it. I'm gonna start cutting it into logs and taking it to him, but if you look, it's got a dark black kind of vein running through it. It's in the stump, and it's in this, and it's really hard. I don't know what that is. I'm curious if it runs all the way through there. The hickory that he cut, I knew it had gotten some green in the top of it this year, but it had mushrooms growing in it. It was nasty looking, so I knew it was dead. Woodpeckers have been beating holes in it, and you can see the whole center of it's gone. It was just rotten. So it was just a matter of time before that thing came down on its own. So I'm gonna get the tractor over here and cut this thing up into some pretty big pieces, run it down to his house, and when he gets time, he's gonna cut it up into chunks and have some free firewood. All right, guys, that's just about going to wrap it up for today. You see, I've got all the big stuff out of here. I cut a lot of this up in little bitty pieces. That's for cooking on the grill. And I did the same thing with the hickory over here. I've been needing to get this out of the way for a while, really. It's kind of had me nervous, but anyway, it's done. They're cut down. I'm gonna have to come out here tomorrow after I get things situated at the dentist. New teeth, hopefully, fingers crossed. And then I'll get all the rest of this cleaned up and hauled off. Then I can get back on the floor. But sun's going down. That's just gonna have to wrap this up for today. Gotta round up all the animals, get everybody fed and put to bed, and get something to eat. I haven't eaten all day. But I do have some chicken on the grill in the Dutch oven, so I'll eat good tonight.